Hey guys, it's Roy here from RWoco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we are here today to look at the Unicorn Beetle Metro case by Supcase for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now the Samsung Galaxy S10, the S10e, and the S10 Plus are not yet available. This here is what we call a dummy device. This is a device that's provided to case manufacturers and other accessory makers so that they can have those accessories ready to ship before the phone arrives at your door. So we're going to be using this dummy device here to test the case out and see how it works. So the Unicorn Beetle Metro is a newer case offering from Supcase, and I have to say this is probably my favorite one so far. I really like the slimness of it and I like the look of it. It's a great looking case. It's a slimline case and it fits the device very well, and it does a great job of protecting it from most of your minor scrapes and falls and things like that. The case goes on very easily. When you put it on, you want to make sure that you have your power and your volume buttons in here first, and so you'll slide that in, push them down on. Then you push those corners, make sure everything is snapped on. Once it is on, you'll notice a couple of things here. The first thing I noticed is this raised lip on the front of the device. This allows you to set the phone face down and be able to slide it around without having to worry about the screen getting scratched up. Now, if the S10 and the S10 Plus follow the example of previous Samsung devices I've owned, you will want to put a screen protector on this. Even though you have that raised lip there, these screens do scratch very easily. So here on this side, we have the power and the volume buttons, and on this side, we have the Bixby button. Now, it's really hard to test those with a dummy device because a dummy device doesn't power on. But what I can tell you is they do feel good in the hand. They do feel like they do have a little bit of give there, so they're not going to be too hard to push, but they're not going to be so easy that you're setting them off by accident in your pocket or something here. Here up top, we do have a cutout for the noise canceling mic, and then on the bottom, we have a couple of cutouts. We have one for your headphone jack, one for your USB-C charging port, your microphone, and your speaker. And then here on the back, we have a cutout for the camera, the flash, and the other sensors, as well as the fingerprint sensor. Now, one thing I like about this one is it does have a nice little slope down in there, so it makes it really easy to use your fingerprint sensor without getting in the way, but still protecting those lenses at the same time. Here at the bottom, we do have this little logo there from Supcase. I do like it. It's a nice little accent there without being too obvious, so it stands out and makes the device look ugly. Then here on the sides, we do have some grippy texture to it. It's not something that's like super grippy, however, it gives you just enough grip where you're going to be able to hold that phone without having to worry about dropping it. So again, this is probably my favorite case offering that I've seen from Supcase so far. I really like the look of it, I like the feel of it, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's going to be getting the S10 or the S10 Plus. So this case goes for about $15 on Amazon, and if you guys have any questions about this case, about Supcase's other products, about the phone, or any other product from Supcase, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.